good morning to all my dear children. How are you children? Yesterday was Dashera. I hope you had enjoyed the festival a lot. So children, today is Monday and let's start our English class. Children, in today's class we will revise phonetic sounds, the letters A to Z. And today I am going to introduce a new book which is Phonics Pupil Book, which is based on phonetic sounds. And in written, I will teach you to write small a and b in the notebook. And then we will practice our rhyme, my body. So let's start our today's learning. Children, let's revise sounds of the letters. Look at the board and speak with me. Capital A, small a. A says A. Capital B, small b. B says B. Capital C, small c. C says K. Capital D, small d. D says D. Capital E, small e. E says F. Capital F, small f. F says F. Capital G, small g. G says G. Capital H, small h. H says H. Capital I, small I. I says E. Capital J, small j. J says J. Capital K, small k. K says K. And this K is kicking K. Capital L, small l. L says L. Capital M, small m. M says Capital N, small n. N says Capital O, small o. O says O. Capital P, small p. P says P. Capital Q, small q. Q says Qu. Capital R, small r. R says R. Capital S, small s. S says S. Capital T, small t. T says T. Capital U, small u. U says A. Capital V, small v. V says V. Capital W, small w. W says V. Capital X, small x. X says X. Capital Y, small y. Y says Y. Capital Z and small z. Z says Z. Children, we have revised phonic sounds. Now, let's start reading of our new book, Phonics Pupil Book. Children, you have learned phonic sounds of letters A to Z. So, now it's time to start our book, Phonics Pupil Book 1. This book is based on phonetic sounds. So, let's start it. Children, open page number 2 of this book. And as you can see, what is it in over here? Capital S and small s. S is S and S for snake. Make S like this with your fingers, with your palm. S. And S is snake says S. Okay. So now as you can see children, what is written over here? S. You have to trace and write and you have to say its sound also. See, this is S. Then there are some S written over here in which you have to trace and write. So you have to put your pencil here and then you have to trace them and from here you have to write on your own. So I will show you on the board how you have to write. Children, you all know how to trace and write. So put your pencil on the dot and then trace all the small dot and make small s like this. And then put your pencil here on the dot which you have to write on your own and then make s like this between the two lines like this. And then see, in this way you have to write. First you have to make a small c and then you have to make an opposite c like this between the two lines. In this way you have to write small s and you have to revise its sounds also. See, in this way you will be able to complete these two lines. Children, now let's write in this book. Now see how you will write. Put your pencil here. You have to trace and write S. Like this. And after this, you have to write on your own. You have to make S like this. In this way, you have to finish the first line. Now come to the second line. Okay children, now this part is done. Now come here. Now see children, you can see 3 of the pictures have S sound in them. इन 4 पिक्चर्स में चिल्ड्रन जो 3 पिक्चर्स हैं उनमें क्या है, S का साउंड है. हमें क्या करना है, what we have to do, cross out the one that does not. जिसमें S का साउंड नहीं है हमें उसे क्या करना है, क्रॉस आउट करना है. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सी, what is this? This is sun. What is this? Sun. And this is snail. This is a spider. And this is a flower. That means flower में तो S का साउंड नहीं है, ये वाला साउंड नहीं है. तो what we have to do, we have to cross it out like this. हमें इसको क्रॉस कर देना है. This flower does not belong to the sound of S. और बाकी सारे जो हैं, जो sun, snail, spider, इसमें S का साउंड आ रहा है. Understood? In this way, you have to finish this work. Finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to learn small letters A and B. Today I will teach you to write small A and B. So now, look at the board. How you will write small a? Put your pencil here on the blue line. But before that, children, today's date. Today is 26th October 2020. Now let's start writing. Put your pencil on the first blue line. Make a small C between 2 blue lines like this. And then go up and then come on the same line and turn it a little bit like this. In this way, you have to make small a. Again, I will show you how to write. Put your pencil on the first blue dot and then make a small C, chota C, like this. Touch the second blue line, then go up from where you have started. Touch that point and then come back again and touch the second blue line and turn it like this. In this way, you have to write small a. And you have to write it in one go. एक बार में ही लिखना है और पूरा लिख के ही हाथ हटाना है. In the first 3 blocks, you will write small a, and then in the next 2 blocks, you have to write B. And for B, you will start it from the red line, make a standing line, go back till the first blue line, then make ulta C like this. In this way, you have to make small b. This is print form letters. Small b like this. Now I will show you how to write in the notebook. Children, now I will show you how to write small a and b in the notebook. First, write today's date. Today is 26th October 2020. And then you have to write classwork also. Now start writing small a. Put your pencil on the blue line. And then make a small C like this, go up and come down like this. In this way you have to write, and children, you have to write in the first 5 lines of this page. Like this, children. Make small C, go up and come down like this. In the first 3 blocks you have to write A, and in the next 2 blocks you have to write small b. Now I am on the 3rd line, Like this you have to write. This line is also over. Now for B, start from the red line. Make a standing line, go up and make ulta C. You have to write B in one go and A also in one go. एक बार में लिखना है, हाथ नहीं हटाना है. Like this. Children, write A and B in the first 5 lines of this page. Take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's practice time. You have to write K in the remaining 6 line of the same page in which we have done K on 23rd. Same page में ही करना है जिसमें हमने लास्ट फ्राइडे को हमने क लिखा था. ठीक है बच्चों, क लिखना है आपको. वापस से क से कबूतर क की प्रैक्टिस करनी है ऐसे. और इसको लिखने से के साथ ही हमको आज की डेट भी लिखनी है. आज क्या है? 26 अक्टूबर 2020. इस तरह से डेट लिखनी है और क लिखना है. अब तो आप सबको क लिखना आ गया है ना? हमने उसकी काफ़ी प्रैक्टिस कर ली है. क से क्या क्या होता है? क से कमल, क से कबूतर, क से कटोरी, क से कलश. इस तरह से क लिखना है. बच्चों, अब हम इस पेज की आखिरी लाइन पे हैं. इस तरह से आपको क लिखना है. बाकी की बची हुई 6 लाइंस में ये लिखना है, इसकी पिक्चर लेनी है और मुझे भेजनी है. इस तरह से पूरा फिनिश कर लिया है. इसकी पिक्चर लेंगे आप और मुझे भेजेंगे. Children, now it's activity time. Bring your all for kids rhymes with worksheet book. Children, open page number 15 of this book. And first write today's date. Today is 26th October 2020. Write like this, the way I'm writing. And now we will see the activity. What you have to do? You have to color the balloons that have vowels in them. हमें इन बलून्स को कलर करना है जिसके अंदर वॉवल्स हैं. अब वॉवल्स क्या होते हैं? वॉवल्स जैसे हिंदी में हमने स्वर और व्यंजन पढ़े, वैसे ही इंग्लिश में भी वॉवल्स और कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं. और वॉवल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? वॉवल्स आर A, E, I, O, U. Understand, children? And rest of the letters are consonant. So now let's color the balloons which have vowels in them. Let's start. As you can see, A is here, E is here, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels. Let's color them. Color the balloons in your favorite colors like this. Children, I have colored A and after A comes E. The next vowel is E. Now I will take the red color. Children, I have colored A and E. Now the next vowel is I. And I will color it with green color, this color. See, I have colored this balloon also. After I, the next vowel is O. And I will color it in blue color. This balloon has also become very colorful. Now O is over. Next vowel is U. And I will take this pink color and I will color U. So children, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. I have colored these 5 vowels in different colors and the balloons which were carrying these vowels. So I have colored them and I have made them colorful. So you also finish this activity the way I did. Finish the activity and take its picture and send it to me. Children, now let's practice our rhyme my body with actions. You also do it with me. Let's start. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. 2 little arms and 1 little mouth. 1 little nose and 2 little ears. 2 little eyes for smile and for tears. 1 little head and 2 little feet. 1 little chin and that's me. Children, learn this rhyme with action the way I taught you. Make your videos on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.